Encircle the objects starting with the given letters. दिए गए हरूफ से शुरू होने वाली चीज़ों के गिर्द दायरा लगाइए। प्यारे बच्चों, अब हम दिए गए हरूफ से शुरू होने वाली चीज़ों के गिर्द दायरा लगाना सीखेंगे। S stands for sparrow. Now we search sparrow in the pictures. Van, sparrow. Yes, this is the picture of a sparrow. So we encircle the picture of a sparrow. T stands for table. Now we search table in the pictures. Xylophone, vase, table. Yes, this is the picture of a table. So we encircle the picture of a table. Z stands for zebra. Zebra is the first picture of the row. So we encircle the picture of a zebra. X stands for X-ray. Now we search X-ray in the pictures. Turtle, X-ray. Yes, this is the picture of a X-ray. So we circle the picture of a X-ray.